Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp 2026 how to build a room. So as example, we'll create a rectangle and you can change for the size into 3000, 3000. Use the offset tools to offset, and this is for the walls. I will set into 100 for the wall thickness, and use the pull tools to convert into 3D. Okay. The next, I will create a rectangle at this point, so you can set for the door. Okay, use the pull again to create hole. Now, to insert the furniture, so you can go to the 3D warehouse. Like here, I will search for door, press enter. You can choose your door file here. You can insert into your drawings. Like as example, we use this door. You can click here to download, and then click yes to load directly into your SketchUp model. Now after it, you can click to set, and to edit, you can double click. Now we'll erase at this door, and the next, you can use the rotation tools to rotate the object, and we use the move tools to move like from this point. I will move into here. Now you can select these objects, and we use the pull tools again from these points into here to connect. So in the top here, you can click and then click into here. So we have insert the door, and then for the furniture, you also can move again like to the 3D warehouse, and we can set like into sofa. So you can searching for the sofa object. Okay, we set into home, and then search sofa. Now we can download, like I will use this sofa. Okay, you can click here to download, and yes to load again into your SketchUp. Now you can click to insert. If you want to edit, to delete another object, you can double click, and the next you can select the object, press delete button to delete, and I will delete again at this object. You can double click in outside to apply. Okay, that's it for the basic SketchUp 2026 how to build a room.